Oh yeah, look at it out here. Da-di-da-di-da. To the street. Look at that. It's covered in snow. It used to be a whole lot more yesterday. Whole lot more. Oh, it's melting. It's not good. Yeah.
I want to know, do you want to make an igloo?
Dang!
Yeah, you want to make an igloo?
In there?
Yeah.
Are we allowed?
Yeah. I know you like that.
Oh, they won't let us. That's huge. Where'd you get all this snow?
Right here. And there's still some left. And then another one right there. And then that could be a fort.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Just has to think about all this snow. Too much rain for Paige. Look at it. Let's think about all this snow. Pat,
Yeah.
let's think about all this snow.
I don't know. Fun to play football. Next. Just that's the thing, man. It's freezing sometimes. Just you can't get over.
Look at that. He's
High swimming.
no.
Even on high up the hill on the sidewalk. I just
Oh, look how cool that snow looks.
whoa!
Look at that. That looks super cool. Little pathway. I feel like a Canadian. Dad, I feel like Canadian. People made pathways for everyone. How kind. You only see that in Pittsburgh.
What's he doing?
He's right there. I recorded my dad's anger. Pwned. I am not hiking with you. Oh, that's it for snow for now. Yep. Peace out. Wait, no, I'm just going to keep recording. Slippery.